Hi everyone, I am Elizabeth. Today we will present our group presentations of a SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a solid modeling computer in design CAD and computer in engineering CAE computer programs that runs on Microsoft Windows. SolidWorks is published by Dassault Systèmes. We use assembly functions in this drawing process. There are four parts of drawing that are assembled into one.
Part 1. First step. Click New on the standard toolbar and select Part for new document. Next, select a front plane, create new sketch. Next, create a reverse L from the origin with a smart dimension. Make sure the unit is set in millimeter.
Next, click Extrude Boss Base on the Features toolbar and extrude the sketch. In the Property Manager under Direction 1, select Midplane in End Condition, set depth to 82mm. Next, click Fillet on the Features toolbar and click on the edge.
Part 2. Step number 1. Click New on the standard toolbar and select Part for the new document. Step 2. Select a front plane and create a new sketch.
Next, create a triangle from the origin with a smart dimension. And then, click Extrude Boss on the Features toolbar and extrude the sketch. In the Property Manager, under Direction 1, first select Midplane in the End Condition and then set the depth to 12mm.
Part 3. First step. Click New on the standard toolbar and select Part for the new document. Next, select a right plane, create a new sketch. Then, create a rectangle from the origin with a smart dimension.
Number 4. Click Extrude Boss or Base on the Feature toolbar and extrude the sketch in the Property Manager under Direction 1. A. Select midplane in End Condition. B. Set depth to 12mm. Next, create two circles on the rectangle with a smart dimension. Next, click Extrude Cut on the Feature toolbar and extrude on the sketch. In the Property Manager under Direction 1, select Through All in End Condition.
Part 4. First, click the New button on the standard toolbar and select Part for the new document. Second, select a front plane and create a new sketch. Next, create a big circle from the origin with a smart dimension. After that, create a small circle on the big circle with a smart dimension. And finally, create a line across the origin and on the big circle.
Then, create a line straight downward from the origin with a smart dimension. Next, create another circle with centered at end point of downward line with a smart dimension. Then, create another line from the outer small circle and make it tangent with another circle. Next, click Trim Entities on the Features toolbar and trim unnecessary line until form the shape. Finally, click Extrude Boss or Base on the Features toolbar and extrude the sketch. In the Property Manager under Direction 1, A. Select Blind in End Condition. B. Set depth to 82mm.
Part 5. Assembly part. The first step is click New in Standard toolbar and select Assembly for a new document. Next, in Property Manager, under Part or Assembly to Insert section, open the All part of drawing model. Then, in the Assembly toolbar, click Made. In the Property Manager, select Vertex number 1 at Part 1 F1 of the drawing model, Vertex 2 at Part 4 F1 of the drawing model under Made Selections. Next, in the Assembly toolbar, click Made. In the Property Manager, select Vertex 1 at Part 3 F1 of the drawing model and Vertex 2 at Part 1 F1 of the drawing model under Made Selections.
Next, in the Assembly toolbar, click Made. In the Property Manager, select Vertex 1, Part 3, F3 of the drawing model and Vertex 2, Part 1, F1 of the drawing model under Made Selection. Next, in the Assembly toolbar, click Made and select Profile Center at Advanced Made. In the Property Manager, select Phase 1 at Part 2, F1 of the drawing model and Phase 2 at Part 1, F1 of the drawing model under Made Selection. Finally, all part of the drawing model is being assembled as shown below. The drawing model is now complete.
Part 6. 2D sketching.
The first step is click New in the standard toolbar and select Drawing for a 2D drawing of the drawing model. Then, select A3 Landscape for the sheet format and size. For the step 3, under Property Manager, open the assembly part of finishing drawing model in Part Assembly to insert for orthographic drawing purpose. Then, under Property Manager, select top, front, side and isometric views in Orientation section and adjust the drawing nicely in the drawing sheet as shown.
5. Under Property Manager, select Shaded with Edges in Display Style for the isometric view. Next, click Smart Dimension and insert all the dimensions in the drawing as shown. Then, right-click on the sheet and select Edit Sheet Format. Lastly, insert all the details required in the sheet. Orthographic drawing is now completed.